Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Joli Visage Skincare. Lately, I've been hearing so much on YouTube about it from influencers about this product, and it's from Peter Thomas Roth, and it's called Instant FIRMx, and apparently it's sold out. So I wanted to show you how to use that product without it cracking or looking dry and flaky. We have a formula that we love, and it's basically the same ingredients. I think ours, the key ingredient to this product is sodium silicate. And it really doesn't do a whole lot for the skin, but what it does do is it tightens. So therefore you would get a tightening effect around the eyes and a lift around the jaw. And some estheticians agree that this product can be drying or dehydrating in the skin. What I like about our product is that it does, it's full of peptides, and so when the sodium silicate is working on the skin and the tightening occurs, it's actually delivering some of those, all of those peptides, and correcting the fine lines and the crow's feet. Recently, Jackie, our front manager at our day spa and skin clinic, she came in, and Suzanne, my business partner, took one look at her and said, "Jackie, what is going on with your eyes? You look amazing." Well, after using our formula, the Sculpt Contour cream, for 8 weeks, Jackie got, I believe it was 8 weeks or less, but she got a really great lift in here. So not only a daily lift, but a long-term lift, and all around her eyes, she just looks amazing. So I started studying more about Peter Thomas Roth's formula, and I thought, oh my gosh, the comparison, that's crazy. Our formula has the same ingredients, only probably a little bit more hydrating. Quite a bit more hydrating. But I want to show you a couple of steps to tighten this eye area here and the jawline. And I'm applying it in a way that it'll last all day. And I also will see long-term benefits. So, of course, you've watched my tutorials and you know that I kind of get carried away with products. So eliminate whatever you think you don't want to use as a step, but for me, more is better. It always is. This is really, really amazing. This is our specific under eye dark circle cream serum. I'm sorry. And you don't need very much at all, but I'm just going to work that and create some circulation around the eye. I'm also going to massage it and give myself a lift below the arch and above the arch. I love doing eyes. I absolutely love doing eyes. Eye treatments. Causing some circulation under the eye with some firmness to the eye is a really good thing, because we tend to carry lymph under the eye, and getting that padding, that tapping, and blood flow going, we're gonna work it out, and it's gonna come down into the lymphatic drainage, into our lymph nodes, into the lymphatic drainage area, which is the side of your face and down through your neck. Okay, so that's my specific under eye. And then we're really known for our under eye serum, which was Exceptionelle eye firming. This is the formula that was sent to Costco wholesale and years ago, and I just love Costco. I just always thought it's a really hard company to get into, and I thought, well, I'm going to send a sample of my Exceptionelle eye firming, because the formula is just like nothing else on the market. I think nothing else on the market. So lo and behold, a week later, the head buyer called and introduced herself, and she said, send me everything that you have in your product line. So she had suffered from Graves' disease, and she had been left with bags under her eyes. And this was the only thing that diminished, actually almost completely, I think, eliminated, she said, the entire eye bag. So this is a big seller. It's the one product that really kind of got our name out there. I figured the department stores had so many brands, the Estee Lauder brands and the Lancome brands, and I thought, who or how could a little company like ours compete? So we had a contract with Costco for 4 years, and that was exciting. So my purpose in telling you that is I did a lot of eye treatments on shoppers. They had a beautiful, beautiful presentation. Okay, so 2 serums. So if you have 1 serum, apply it twice. Just make sure there's a lot of water moisture treatment around your eyes. Next, I'm going to put my eye cream on. And don't forget your spatula to get your cream out with. And I'm going to just place the cream on my finger. And this is our cucumber firming eye cream, and that is really, really effective in helping those fine lines. I put on way too much. Oh well, can never have too much moisture. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm showing you how to use, if you use the Peter Thomas Roth, what is it, the iFix? I meant to order it, but I guess it's out of stock. But if you use that iFix, one of the common complaints people say is by the end of the day it's cracking and peeling. And also I don't like the idea of getting any dehydration. I think our formula doesn't dehydrate at all, but I want insurance of that. So I'm going to just put that cream down in here because I'm going to apply the Lift and Sculpt to my jaw. And then you can compare. Okay, so that is hydrated. It's moist. It's just got all these nutrients that are going in around my eye. And also I've got some here on my jaw. So I'm going to do a couple of squirts. You don't need much. And this is the Sculpt and Contour cream. I'm just going to do a couple of squirts. Very little. A little goes a long ways. With all these products, just one little tiny dab of Exceptionelle eye firming, the one that we had in Costco, and the specific under eye dark serum, our dark circle serum. I'm talking like a half the size of a green pea. They're highly concentrated. That's the way we have them formulated, so that you're getting your money's worth, and they're going to last you a long time, and you're going to see results with these products. So, okay, I've got the Sculpt and Contour. Now I'm going to apply this under my eye, and I'm going to tap. I'm going to go up on the sides. And in a couple of seconds, you are going to see some lifting. I'm even going to go above my brow. Okay, now I'm going to come into my jaw, my nasal labial folds. And I had previously hydrated my face, my skin. Okay. All right, so what you feel with the Sculpt and Contour is you start to feel it deliver the ingredients, and you start to feel tightening. It takes about 60 seconds. So I'm going to turn my camera. Hope the lighting is okay in here. And you should start to see some firming and tightening in that right eye, the side of the eye area, and some lifting. You should also start to see it here in the right side of my face. You can feel it, and the reason I wanted to show you how to use all these products together is when you apply your foundation, you're going to take your little sponge and you're just going to work your primer, if you need it, around your eyes. Work quickly, and you won't interrupt the Sculpt and Contour or the Peter Thomas Roth formula, and it won't look cracked or like eggshells around your under eye, sides of your eye by the end of the day. It's going to stay flawless. At least that's been my experience, and I wanted to play around with it because I had seen so many influencers talk about the problem with Peter Thomas Roth is that I saw a couple of influencers apply it, and then the eye bags of the client went down, but as soon as they put foundation on or concealer, they could see the cracks. So they ended up taking off the contour cream, and the eye bag returned slightly, but it still wasn't as nice as when the contour cream was on. Okay, so I think I'm right at that point where I'm really starting to feel the lift, and I can feel it pulling up my brow. And I think what I love about it is that then my makeup goes on really pretty, my eyeshadow. I can also feel the tightening of my jaw. So that's my little tutorial on Peter Thomas Roth's Lift X, but we have our Sculpt and Contour cream, and it's just got so many benefits, and we really try to price it at a price point where the majority of people can afford it and keep using it, and to continue seeing benefits when they use it. So that's it. I hope you can see a difference. I can see a really nice lift on the right side, and I know it's going to work on my skin all day long. So that's my little tutorial. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and happy Friday, and have a great weekend, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll list all the products below. And if you have any questions, or if you look at our site, jolispa.com, Joli spa.com, if you have any questions, one of our estheticians is always happy to help. We love our clients. Thank you so much. Bye.